Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a overview of agent force, like how we can assign a agent and what is the use of topic. So basically, for you can see the numbers of agent that is present in your org by going to setup. Okay, if you go to setup and you type here agent, then you can see here the agent force agent. You can see here. Okay. So once you click on this agent and agent force, we can be see you able to see all the agents that are available in your org. So I have only three agents here: Coral Cloud agent. This is for digital channel, Coral Cloud Experience agent. This is for service agent, and this is for Einstein Copilot. That is for employee. So far I'm for now I'm using this Einstein Copilot as an employee. Okay. So basically, what is this agent? Agent is nothing but like the person who are going to provide the service to a customer. Okay, that is called the agent. So as like we can ask any questions to the agent will provide you the answers. So anything you can ask from the agent. So how if you open this one, okay, let me go here, open this agent. Okay, so we can let this loading. So we can say this is a like active. Okay, and this is a name like created on this one. Okay, everything is mentioned here. Okay, you can assign the role as well, like uh, service provider, financial advisors, anything whatever you want you can name here. Give the company name as well, whatever you want. Okay, so you can see it is active. Okay, so this active, because how I make it active, so you have to click on this open builder. Okay, let me click on this open builder. It will go redirect me to this here. Okay, so see, I have been, there is a deactive button. Okay, so if you deactive, then that you agent will be deactive. If let me deactive. Okay, let me deactive for now. Okay, so now we have been deactivated that particular agent. Which agent? Einstein Copilot. So if you go here, let me again here, let me refresh here. Okay, you will be seeing that that user got deactivated now. The agent got deactivated. Okay, let you can see this is got deactivated now. Okay, so what is the use of agent builder? Here we can assign the overall activity that agent is going to perform. Okay, that is what we are going to do here in this. So here what we can do, we can create a new topic. Okay, let's go on the new topic. Okay. So here you can describe the work, or we can say the we can say the responsibility of the agent. Okay, we can give something here like uh, this is this is this is going to provide resort detail. We can say provide service to customer. Sign also service to customer. Okay, service to customer. We can click on the next here. So topic is nothing but like what actions or what the responsibility or what we can say activity or work that will be done by the agent. We can define all that in this topic. So let's this, like we have the class here we have classification description. So this topic provides service to the customer and address their inquiry and issue. Okay, I am giving this one. What is the main scope of that this topic? Okay, so your job is only assist customer with this service related inquiry, provide related information. Okay, so this topic will be assigned to this agent. Okay, and this agent is going to perform all these instructions. Okay, all these jobs. So we have given the instruction. If user does not have a repair number or email ask if they would escalate to an agent or create a case. Okay, where we have given instructions to them. Sometimes they will ask some question. Gather as much information as possible from the user by asking clarification questions. We are instructing the agent. Okay, you can ask numbers of questions before you provide any solution. If you are not you are not confirm that okay whatever you are going to provide it is correct. So before that you can ask more of the questions. Here all we have given all the instructions here. Okay, so we can go here next. Okay, so these are the actions. Okay, that need to be assigned to this topic. Okay, so we can select all like add a case comment, answer question and knowledge, answer question on the Salesforce, cancel order, create label, create all this whatever create to do, create a case also can create a case. We can ask agent to create a case. So all these are actions that a agent can perform. Okay, whoever you have it this topic. Okay, so we can add this all this and we can finish it. Okay, finish it. So here we can say we have numbers of topic got assigned to a particular agent. So there was a confusion like either a custom, either a agent can only one topic, but what I am seeing here we can assign numbers of topic to particular agent. So here in the topic means nothing but the responsibility, the activity, the work that need to be done by the agent. We have mentioned everything inside the topic, and that in the topic we have been assigned all the actions. Okay, this agent can all these actions like create a case, create a task, create a query, a record, everything. Whatever action we have, we can provide it with this topic. That means topic will be assigned to the agent, and inside the topic will assign the actions. Okay, so like this. So you can see here. So we have given everything. So we can ask any question from here. So for the testing purpose, here it's got active like for it's got open here for conversation preview like for testing purpose. We can give okay how many how many. So we have been created a topic. We have been assigned the actions. Now I am going to ask the query to the agent. Okay, let me suppose I am writing here. How many open cases we have? Open cases we have. Okay, let me hit analyze. Okay, it's giving the answer. Okay, it's giving the answer. It's analyzing. So it's saying total we currently have 5 open cases. So it's went and it queried. Okay, and it's given the total numbers of cases that are open. Okay, let me go here. If for the clarification, let me go to case here. Okay, and we can all open cases. We have 5 open cases. Correct. So see how agent is working using Chat GPT. Okay, Omni version. Okay, so this got 5 cases. It's got open. Okay, so let me go back here. Yes, how it's got. So see here how it did. It started from here. It's query. Okay, I think this is the previous one. Okay, so where I ask question here, this one. Okay, so here I ask find me high priority. No, this one. Okay, this one I think. So this is called a dynamic panel. Okay, where we can see the we can debug whatever we are writing. We can asking. We can debug everything here. Okay, what record we have been asked and what they have been written back to us. So we can ask. We can check here everything. Okay, so cases got given. Okay, here the query find all high priority cases, and here it's given created everything is given to us. Okay, so we can ask like that. So before that we have to deactivate. Okay, I think this is this one. Okay, let me. I was in wrong window maybe. That's the reason. Okay, so this is what I find number of open. I asked the question agent force. So he give a result. Okay, how much we can check here for the debugging purpose. Okay, now we have to activate this agent. I've been activated this agent. Okay, now let's just activate it. Now let's go to our dashboard and we can say we have a symbol here. Okay, we can refresh it. Okay, and let me ask a question. We can same thing it's got open here. Okay, you can ask whatever responsibility or task you have been assigned, we can ask from here also. Okay, we can ask here total please provide me total case with high priority. Okay, so it will give all the cases with the high priority. Total now count of total cases with the high priority. So it's doing research. Okay, okay, here is total number. So here is total number of cases which high priority eat. If you want, we can, if we have here, let me see, we don't have here filter, we can apply the filter, we can check, cross verify. Okay, let me ask, can you provide me detail of all these cases? Please provide me detail of all above cases. See how simple it is. You do not have to navigate here and there. We can ask everything, and this agent will provide all the detail for us. Okay. See, it's given all the cases, all the details. Subject is there, priority is high, case number is this one. It is a new category. Everything is going open. So like this Agentforce will work. Okay. If you want insert a record, let me create a case for me. Okay, create a case for me. Let me see what is saying. It will ask something or not. Provide me detail for the, like we have to provide all this. Okay, we can provide. Let me copy here. Okay, let me copy and paste it here. Subject is payment is not, sorry, not refunded. Okay, refunded. Priority, you can give anything. I don't know what is priority. It's anything. Description, please refund. Okay, let's see it's getting or not getting. Let me give all this detail. I have given priority as a blank. Subject I have given. Description I have given. Please provide. Okay, again saying we have to provide all this detail. Okay, let me again copy this and paste it here. Priority high we can give. Okay, and the status as a new case. Okay, and send it. So we do not have to go and click on the new button. We can directly create a case from here also. So it seems no existing case with the subject of payment refund. You can create a new case instance following detail. Okay, if you want, for instance, you can create a new case. So we can, let me ask you create a new case. Okay, create a new case for me. Let's see it's creating or not. I'm just asking him to create a new case. Okay, it's saying it seems I do not have capability to create a new case directly. However, you can create a new case in the your Salesforce instance by providing the following details. So we have not given permission and we have not given the actions to this agent to create a case. Okay, there is a reason it is not able to create a case. If you give that action, okay, we can create a case, then he will be able to create a case. So this is how the agent will work along with this. Okay, I hope it is clear, like what is the topic, what is the actions, and what is the agent. Yep. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me in the comment. I will be happy to give the answer. Thank you for watching my video.